Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005 to 2013. And if you have a Beamer like that guys, we have more than 200 videos uploaded on this car, so please subscribe for more videos. We'll be constantly adding videos for this car and other cars as well. Now in the meantime guys, this BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes, so what we'll be doing today, okay, might be a little bit different for yours, so always double check. Now we'll show you where to find the relay for the crankcase breather heater. Okay, crankcase breather vent heater. It has a relay, so if that doesn't work fine, your car might idle really rough, get caught, smoke, burn oil, all that stuff. So we'll show you how to get to the relay today guys. You need to open the hood and locate your engine management box. That's where you're going to find the ECM, the engine computer module. It's under this cover here. Check out the video on the channel how to remove that cover. I didn't want to waste your time just watching that, but it's not very complicated at all. Once you remove the cover guys, okay, right here now we have that relay. That relay is for the crankcase, okay, breather heater. This one right here. So how you remove it? With a small screwdriver, you need to push that tab towards the back. There is 2 teeth. Once they get loose, you pull the relay up. Okay, do not pull unless it's loose, because otherwise you will damage your wires. This is the relay guys. You can check in the description of the video below where we're going to get our replacement relay from. Okay, let me get it quick, and where you can purchase it for a good price. Okay, this is the number here, okay, if you need it, but check out the link guys where you can get the relay from. Now installation, everything is in reverse order pretty much that we took it apart. Check out now, all we have to do, okay, it goes in only one certain way, push it in. Now we need to make sure that you connect it here on the box, so it goes in the canals and you can push it in. If you want to detail videos what goes wrong with the crankcase breather valve and symptoms and stuff like that, it will be on Auto Repair guys. This is our main channel that is about to hit 100,000 subscribers guys, so check it out there. We'll have more mechanical videos for any car pretty much. We're uploading videos all the time, 2-3 videos at least every day. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Give a like guys for all the work we do, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.